Final video to fix SCRCPY wireless slow with lag and latency. And if your phone screen mirror is delayed, let me ask you, are you using SCRCPY over Wi-Fi and noticing controls lag, stuttering, or delayed responses? This problem usually happens because network bandwidth is low, ADB is not optimized, or wireless settings create high latency. Sometimes Windows Firewall or background apps also slow down SCRCPY. Many people search YouTube or social media and find long guides with confusing commands, risky driver changes, or steps that feel hard to follow. Most of those fixes waste time and still don't improve performance. But on Rexish, I focus on simple and reliable solutions. Now here's my secret easy trick. Instead of tweaking everything randomly, we fix the exact network and ADB path that causes SCRCPY wireless lag. This works because it optimizes communication between your PC and phone. The method is fast, safe, and works on all setups. Once you apply it, screen. Mirroring becomes smooth, inputs respond instantly, and lag disappears. I tested this fix on multiple PCs and phones. It worked every time. That is why Rexish shares smart, stress-free solutions. If this SCRCPY wireless lag is frustrating you and you want a full step-by-step tutorial with exact actions, comment below and I will guide you completely.